Hello YouTube, this is Dazzathecameraman. Today is September the 2nd, 2018, and I've been asked to take a look at this item, which was posted on the Daily Star Sunday website. Nibiru spotted? ? Bizarre red planet appears beside moon, sparking doomsday fears. Let's scroll down and have a look at the video. So here is the video. It says the strange clip captured in Pennsylvania, US appears to show a small red object next to the moon in the night sky. It was recorded on August 24th at 8:10 p.m. by a local resident who believes NASA is lying to the public, speculating that a giant space rock has gone unreported. And we can see this pink object next to the moon here. And I've tracked down the original uploader, and it was a person on Facebook who calls himself LEN or Alien, and I've talked to him via private message and invited him to do the finger test, which we've seen in other videos, but unfortunately he has become hostile and has since blocked me. So here is the inevitable debunking video. So let's take a look at the video. I'll play a little bit of it, and we're going to see something very interesting in the video. Does have some audio, he points some things out, but we're going to step forward and see an interesting little scene in this video that gives it away. Note the angle of the object. It's sort of about a 45-degree angle below the moon. Now here we pan away, he looks around, he sort of looks at a porch light in just a moment. There it is, and as he moves the camera away, and I'll just get ready to pause it, we see some street lights. Just here, there is a bright street light, and what do we see on the edge of the building here? We see a secondary reflection, also orange, caused by the street light. Let's just step that up so it's a bit clearer. There we go. I'll go full screen. And we can clearly see the secondary reflection from the street light there. Let me just back that up a little bit for you and play that bit again full screen. And bring it back again one more time. And pause there. So we can see this bright street light and secondary reflection, and note the angle. Now I've taken some screenshots of the object next to the moon and this secondary reflection next to this light, and we're going to compare them using paint.net. So here is the first image with our object next to the moon, and here is the second object with the reflection from the bright street light. What I'm going to do now is just copy that section there so that I can paste it back into the original image and compare them. There we go. And as I shift that up there, you can see that the angle and the size is exactly the same. So all we're seeing in this image is a secondary reflection within the lens array of the moon, causing this apparent object. Now I have demonstrated this sort of thing several times before, including my recent video, Dazza Films Nibiru Planet X. I'll append that video to the end of this video so that you can watch it here.
Well, look folks, I've got myself a real-life Nibiru by using my welding lens on my phone camera. See, look, it stays in the same place when I move the camera all around, so it must be real, right? Well, let's do that finger test. First part of the finger test, hold my finger out in front of the camera, and look, there's Nibiru, it's on my finger. Second part of the finger test, put my finger in front of the sun, and as soon as I block out the sun, Nibiru disappears. That's as simple as it is, folks. It really isn't rocket science. See, this is a secondary reflection caused by the welding lens that I'm using as a filter. Let's see what happens when I remove the welding lens as a filter. The picture will go bright. Well, in fact, look, I'm moving the welding lens around and you can see what's happening to my Nibiru. But if I hold it in place so it's not moving, then you can see that, look, Nibiru's in front of the cloud right now. Nibiru is on top of my finger, and Nibiru has just disappeared when I block out the sun. So I can move my camera all around, and as long as I hold that welding lens in the same place, then Nibiru doesn't move. But as soon as I move the welding lens, then Nibiru moves all over the place. That's all it is, folks. It's a secondary reflection caused by the welding lens.
Now, to be fair, I should say that I'm not suggesting for one moment that the uploader of this video has deliberately used the lens to create a secondary reflection. It is quite a common effect, particularly in iPhone cameras and some other phone cameras, to create a secondary reflection within the lens array. Thank you for watching.